So you've just landed in Japan. You step off the plane, and excitement is running high. But those first 60 minutes after arrival can be the difference between a stressful start or a smooth entry into the country. Let's walk through exactly what your first hour will look like, step by step, with some tips along the way to make everything easier. But first, welcome to Travel Wisdom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you landed in Japan, what's the first thing you'd do? Head for food, grab Wi-Fi, or just jump straight on the train into Tokyo? Please tell us in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Also, check out the links in the description to find fun activities in Japan. Now, let's get started. The first thing you'll face is immigration. Before you even join the line, make sure you've filled out your arrival card. Sometimes the airline gives it to you on the plane, but if not, you'll find stacks of them before immigration. Write down your hotel address, your flight number, and how long you're staying. It saves you time later. When it's your turn, the officer will check your passport, take your fingerprints and a quick photo, and stamp your entry. You'll also receive a little slip of paper tucked into your passport. Don't throw it away. You'll need that slip when leaving Japan. After that, it's on to baggage claim and customs. If you've got nothing to declare, you usually just walk through with barely a question. The process is quick and efficient. Now you're in the arrivals hall, and this is where the real choices begin. The very first thing many travelers do is pick up pocket Wi-Fi or a SIM card. Staying connected in Japan makes everything simpler, from navigating the trains to translating menus, or even finding your hotel. You'll see plenty of counters right after customs. But here's the trick: pre-book online before you fly. If you've already reserved, you can simply show your confirmation, pick up your device, and be connected in minutes. The next step is money. While Japan is slowly becoming more card-friendly, cash is still king in many situations, especially at small restaurants or when buying train tickets. Airport ATMs accept most international cards, but the most reliable ones are linked to 7-Eleven or Japan Post. Take out some yen, and you're set. Right next to the ATMs, you'll find machines or counters selling IC cards, like Suica or Pasmo in Tokyo. These are rechargeable travel cards that let you tap in and out of trains, subways, and buses, and even pay at vending machines and convenience stores. With Wi-Fi and money sorted, the next big question is, how do you get into the city? If you're at Narita, the fastest option is usually the Narita Express train, which takes about an hour to reach central Tokyo. If you're at Haneda, you're much closer, just a quick monorail or subway ride away. For those who prefer not to deal with luggage on trains, the airport limousine bus is a lifesaver. It drops you right at major hotels and stations. Taxis are always there too, but they're incredibly expensive. A smart middle ground is pre-booking a shared shuttle, door-to-door service at a fraction of the cost. Before you board your train or bus, though, take a moment to stop at a convenience store, known as konbini. Japan's convenience stores are legendary. You'll find them right in the airport, and they're the perfect place to grab your first Japanese snack, maybe an onigiri rice ball, a bento box, or just a bottle of green tea for the ride. They're cheap, fresh, and a little glimpse into everyday life here. Now, as you sit on the train or bus, heading into the city, this is your chance for a quick orientation moment. Connect to the Wi-Fi, message your family that you've arrived safely, and pull up your hotel directions on Google Maps. Many people save their key destinations as offline pins before arriving, which is a huge help if the signal drops. This little bit of organization during your ride will save you stress later, once you're in the middle of Tokyo's busy streets or Osaka's crowded stations. And just like that, within your first hour, you've cleared immigration, picked up Wi-Fi, withdrawn cash, bought an IC card, and set yourself on the way to your hotel. Instead of scrambling or feeling lost, you're prepared and ready to enjoy Japan from the very first moment. Your first hour in Japan doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a bit of planning, it becomes a smooth and exciting introduction to the country. A little preview of just how efficient, organized, and welcoming Japan can be. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You landed in Japan. What's the first thing you'd do? Head for food, grab Wi-Fi, or just jump straight on the train into Tokyo? Please tell us in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Also, check out the links in the description to find fun activities in Japan. See you in the next video. Bye!